Traders, and welcome back to the Binance Doctor channel. If you are watching this video, it means you are serious about improving your trading results. Not by guessing, not by chasing hype, but by learning how the market actually works. Let me be very clear from the start. Trading is not about luck. It is about structure, discipline, and risk control. Most traders lose money because they enter trades emotionally, over-leverage, or follow random signals without understanding the logic behind them. This is exactly the problem Binance Doctor was created to solve. We run a free Telegram group where anyone can join and observe how we analyze the market in real time. In the free group, you can see market structure updates, key support and resistance zones, trend explanations, risk awareness reminders. This allows you to understand our approach before making any commitment. Now, for traders who want more structured guidance, we also offer the Binance Doctor VIP group. The VIP group is designed for traders who want clear trade planning, step-by-step market reasoning, consistent technical analysis, a disciplined approach to risk management. Inside VIP, we focus on quality over quantity. Every trade idea is shared with context, why a level matters, where risk is controlled, and how the trade aligns with market conditions. We do not promote overtrading. We do not promote emotional entries. Instead, we focus on process, because when your process improves, results follow naturally over time. VIP members also receive more detailed market updates, ongoing guidance during active market sessions, educational explanations alongside trade ideas, personal support for understanding market behavior. This is especially helpful if you are tired of jumping between random Telegram channels that offer no transparency or explanation. Before joining VIP, we always recommend starting with the free group first. Watch how we work. See how we react to wins and losses. Understand our mindset. When you feel aligned with our strategy and risk philosophy, you can upgrade to VIP at your own pace. All information shared is educational, and every trader is responsible for their own decisions. Cryptocurrency markets involve risk, and proper risk management is essential. If you are ready to trade with more clarity, patience, and structure, the next step is simple. Join the Binance Doctor free Telegram group using the link in the description. From there, you can request VIP details directly when you feel ready. Thank you for watching. Trade smart, stay disciplined, and I'll see you inside the community.